Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, now come to book page number 94. Look, read and color the right word. Look, read and color the right word. Students, look here. What's this? Sun. What's this? Sun. What's the spelling of sun? S-A-N. Sun. S-A-N. Sun. Now we will color the right spelling of sun. S-A-N. Sun. S-A-N. Sun. S-A-N. Sun. Sun. Now next one is cup. What's this? Cup. What's the spelling of cup? K-A-P, cup. Now color the right spelling of cup. K-A-P, cup. K-A-P, cup. K-A-P, cup. K-A-P, cup. Next one is tub. What's the spelling of tub? T-A-B, tub. T-A-B, tub. T-A-B, tub. Tub. T-A-B, tub. Now, next one is bun. What's this? Bun. What's the spelling of bun? B-A-N, bun. Now, color the right spelling of bun. B-A-N, bun. B-A-N, bun. B-A-N, bun. B-A-N, bun. Now, next one is bus. What's the spelling of bus? B-S, bus. B-S, bus. B-S, bus. B-S, bus. B-S, bus. B-S, bus. Now, last one is jug. What's this? Jug. What's the spelling of jug? J-A-G, jug. J-A-G, jug. J-A-G, jug. J-A-G, jug. J-A-G, jug. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 94. Dear students, do this work properly because this time we will not revise same work in class. Allah Hafiz.